Just arrived in, direct off the last owner, this beautiful Jaguar XE 2 litre diesel R Sport. Indus silver metallic. It is beautiful all the way around. Great value for money these are. It's a 2 litre diesel, 180 brake horsepower. Great spec on this one, around £2,000 worth of factory fitted options. It's 2017 on a 17 plate with 59,000 miles. Excellent service history. Just had a full service, just had new rear brake discs and pads. All the wheels just been professionally sandblasted and powder coated. I will take you all the way around it to show you what a beauty this car is. An amazing value for money. It's got the lip spoiler on the boot. 2 litre D. Massive boot on these, absolutely huge. So a good load carrier, all nice and clean, not been abused, not been knocked about. No spare wheel, all the tool cut there complete, including the locking wheel bolt. All the loading area nice and clean. You've got rear parking sensors and a reverse camera. All across the back, lovely and clean, not been knocked about. All down the sides, no dents, scratches, dings at all. It is just gorgeous. So all the wheels just been professionally sandblasted and powder coated. And the light anthracite side, new brake discs and pads at the rear. It's got Michelin cross climate tyres all the way around, all matching, all in great condition. So as you can see, all down the sides. Just beautiful. A good close to the near side front wheel. And the tyre again, plenty of tread. Good close up across the front. No major chips or dents to talk about. Of course you're going to get the odd 1 or 2 stone chip for the age and miles related. Front parking sensors. Again, this is why we do a full close-up, so almost like you walking around the car with your hands and knees with me, to show you full transparency, nothing to hide, giving you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair, like many customers do. Gives you full in detail video. And again, the final wheel, and there's brake discs and the Michelin cross climates. And again, as you can see, plenty of tread, plenty of life left on those. I absolutely love this interior, the two-tone black and red. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, just sets it off nicely. All in beautiful condition, just look at that. Absolutely gorgeous inside. The attention to detail. It's got the perforated leather, anthracite headlining, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. Driver's door trim. All lovely and clean. Front sport seats. All in great condition. All beautiful inside. 59,026 is the mileage. All the dashboard, all the trims, all in lovely condition. Nice attention to detail with all the stitching. As I mentioned, 59,026. Nice big clear screen. Great sound system. touchscreen menu, reverse camera, DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connection, and of course the navigation, dual zone climate control, heated front seats. Just brings the menu up and just tap whatever setting you want. Various drive modes, select those and it shows on the dashboard normal, dynamic, all very straightforward to scroll through. Paddle shift gear change, got various stereo functions on there.
Navigation.
Say the name of the town.
Stoke-on-Trent.
Select a line number.
1.
Line 1. Stoke-on-Trent.
Voice activation just makes it very easy, very safe to either navigate or call somebody on the phone
Cancel.
or change radio stations. Cruise control speed limiter. So there we have it, our beautiful Jaguar XE 2-litre diesel R Sport in beautiful condition. Of course, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. And remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details how that operates. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you reserve the car and you come to view the car and you believe the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposit, no questions asked. Simple money back guarantee. And we do the videos to show to you we have nothing to hide, full transparency. We go over and beyond to show you how nice all our cars are. We welcome part exchange. Please feel free to give us a call on 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and you understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Specialist Cars have been established since 1997. We're open Monday to Saturday. So if you don't want to miss this absolutely beautiful Jaguar XE R Sport, give us a call on 01782 822 700 and you could be driving this car today. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles at 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.